Hi guys, welcome back to our next one of my videos. Today what we're doing is that we're going to reset one of those Samsung Galaxy Tab 3. It is a Tab 3 Lite version, so it is the SMT110. And I will place that somewhere below in the comment area, in the description area, just to tell you exactly what we're doing. The procedure for most tablets reset, especially if it's an Android device, is that you would want to it's normally power, volume up, and the home button, and so you hold on all three buttons together until the logo appears. When the logo appears, you normally then release the button, and it takes you into the recovery section. Some tablets are different, so it varies based on tablet. This one is specifically for the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3. Some other devices you might have to hold on the button and then afterwards just hold the power button after you've released the others. But for this specific device, let me show you the procedure. Alright, so what we're doing is that we're doing a factory reset on Samsung Tab 3 100 Lite SMT110 series. And the procedure for it is quite simple. You're holding down the volume up button, which is here, along with your home and power button together. So I'll see if I can press all three of them together so you can get that. So it's 1, 2, 3. You hold these down until the logo appears and then you release them. And there we go. So we're on the reset screen already. It's as easy as that, right? On the reset screen already, I choose to wipe all data. So wipe data to factory data. So it's waiting for a command. Let me see. Alright, there we go. So wipe data to factory reset and okay. Okay is power, right? Yep. Confirm wipe. You have to scroll down, and this is typical for most Android devices. Delete all user data and wipe, and there it'll wipe your user data off completely, and that's how you reset Samsung Tab 3 T110 series. Yep, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like these, again, leave a comment below. If you use a different procedure for this, which I would doubt, again, leave a comment below, right? Remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post up new content. See you in the next video. Go geek yourself.